How's it going? Got a package in today. You guys know, showed you guys what I got. Uncle Mike, Crimson Traces, Glock 19, P90. You guys know what I got. Just brought them out to show you guys what I got. You know, we play. Well, you guys know. If you guys in that dirty Sprite movement, I'm in that dirty Sprite movement. Let's open this. Oh, see where it's from, guys. Hard time focusing. Lone Wolf. I don't care what they said. Fucking track me. I don't give a fuck. Alright, guys. Let me open it up. I'm doing it off my cell phone, so you guys bear with me. There's a package inside a package. Alright. What else comes with? Just make sure. Catalog. And some return exchange and credits. And we have a receipt. Pretty much the receipt that you get in the email. Damn, that thing is badass. I'll take a look at this later. Ooh, fucking badass. Alright, let's see what we got. Feels like I'm in school eating my lunch. Oh. Oh. I'm on that DJ school. Alright, guys. This is just a show. Should we open it and let you guys know what I feel, what I think about it? Alright. Why not? Then we'll make another video of installing it. Or should I just make it all in one video? We only have 2 minutes in. It's just, I have to put the camera down. Whoa ho ho ho. Yeah, my fucking focusing on my phone sucks. As you can see, I have a nasty nail. Sorry about that. I slammed my nail in my car, and you know how that goes. There it goes. Look at that wolf. You guys know what this is. This anodized red back piece. I'm a sucker for red. And I got the 3 holes, the 3, you know, I know it's a 9mm, but you don't need anything, but you know what, bigger's better. Same thing with tattoos, with guns, with ammunition, bigger's better, and I know it's a 9mm, you can't, it's not a big thing, but, you know, you know what, I am gonna make a part 2 video, okay, this is part 1, part 2, right now, everything installed, okay, bye.